2025 Hyundai Kona. Release date, summer 2024. Estimated price, starting around $26,000. Pros. Roomy interior for people and cargo. Comes standard with many technology and driver assist features. Offers some upscale features absent from rivals. Cons. Underwhelming acceleration from base engine. Ride can get a little unsettled or bouncy over bumps. What's new? No significant changes expected for 2025. Part of the second Kona generation introduced in 2024. Overview. The 2025 Hyundai Kona is a small sport utility vehicle that slots above the budget-oriented Venue and below the compact Tucson in Hyundai's SUV lineup. The Kona was fully redesigned in 2024 and receives minimal changes for the new model year. 2 gas engines are offered, and all-wheel drive is available for all models. Hyundai also sells an EV variant called the Kona Electric, which we review separately. Edmunds Spotlight, small crossover, big tech features. Despite its more entry-level positioning, the Kona can be equipped with some impressive tech features. Many models get a seamless double-wide digital dash made up of a 12.3-inch instrument display and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The new system supports over-the-air software updates. There's also an available digital key feature, which allows you to unlock and drive your car with your smartphone. Competitors to consider. As an extra small SUV, the Hyundai Kona competes with other subcompact crossovers on the market. Its key competitors include the Volkswagen Taos, Mazda CX-30, Chevrolet Trax, Subaru Crosstrek, Buick Encore GX and its own corporate cousin, the Kia Soul. Which Kona does Edmunds recommend? Hyundai hasn't released official information on the 2025 Kona as of this writing. We'll update our recommendation if anything changes, but based on last year's Kona, we suggest looking at the Cell trim. We think that mid-level model represents the best value of the range because it's affordably priced and gets you a good selection of features for the money. We'd also add the convenience package to gain access to adaptive cruise control, a digital instrument display, onboard navigation, and more. Hyundai Kona models. Editor's note: the following unofficial information is based on last year's Kona. We expect the 2025 model will have a similar lineup and we'll update this section once we have complete information. The Hyundai Kona is a small crossover SUV available in SE, Cell, N-Line, and limited trim levels. Hyundai also offers an electric version of the Kona, which we discuss in our separate Kona Electric review. A 147 horsepower 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine is standard with the SE and Cell trims, and it powers the front wheels using a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The N-Line and Limited benefit from a 190 HP turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine matched with an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. An all-wheel drive system is optional with all trims. Keep reading for our breakdown of the Kona's significant features and options. SE. The most affordable version of the Kona comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights with automatic high beam assist, keyless entry, 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone, both with wireless connectivity, 4 USB ports, complementary connected services. The Kona SE also has several standard driver assist features. Driver attention warning: issues an alert if sensors determine you are becoming fatigued. Forward collision warning with automatic braking, warns you of an impending collision and applies the brakes in certain scenarios. Blind spot warning with rear cross traffic warning, alerts you if a vehicle is in your blind spot during a lane change or while in reverse. Lane departure mitigation, warns you of a lane departure when a turn signal isn't used and can automatically steer to maintain lane position. Lane centering system, makes minor steering corrections to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Rear seat reminder, alerts you to check the rear seat before exiting the vehicle. Cell. Moving up to the cell gives you these upgrades. 18-inch wheels. Roof rails. Dual zone automatic climate control. Power adjustable driver's seat. Rear seat air conditioning vents. A convenience package is available for the cell. It adds ambient interior lighting, digital instrument panel, heated front seats, integrated navigation system, voice recognition system, removes wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a wired USB connection still works. Wireless smartphone charging. Expanded subscription-based connected services. Digital key capability, allows you to use your smartphone as a key to enter and drive the vehicle. Intersection collision mitigation, warns you of an impending collision during a left turn and applies the brakes in certain scenarios. Adaptive cruise control, maintains a driver set distance between the Hyundai and the car in front, can also automatically reduce speed in curves. N-Line. This is the sporty Kona, featuring the turbocharged engine and features from the cell convenience package. 19-inch alloy wheels. Sportier styling details. Sunroof. Micro suede seat trim. 8-speaker Bose premium sound system. Limited. For all the features the Kona has to offer, the Limited is your ticket to. Upgraded exterior lighting. Synthetic leather upholstery. Ventilated front seats. Heated steering wheel. Surround view camera system, gives you a top-down view of the Kona and its surroundings in tight parking situations. Blind spot camera, displays an image of the vehicle's blind spot in the instrument panel when you activate a turn signal. Parking sensors, alert you to obstacles that may not be visible in front of or behind the vehicle when parking. Automated parking system, steers into a parking spot with little or no driver intervention.